Hi guys, Patanjali has this Pustahar Dalia, which is basically multigrain Dalia. In this video we will see how to cook this. So this 500 gram multigrain Dalia comes for rupees 45 and the shelf life is 6 months. Ingredients I have given on the screen. It has wheat, moong dal, pearl millet, rice, white sesame seed and ajwain, which we call carom seeds. So let's see how to cook this. Transfer 1 spoon of ghee in a pressure cooker. This has to be cooked in pressure cooker only. Now add cumin seed and saute till it splutter. Here goes 1 chopped onion. Stir regularly until onion turns brown. Now we are going to add veggies. I have taken tomato, carrot and peas. You can add whatever veggies you like. It actually tastes great. And here goes dry masala, turmeric, salt and coriander powder. 1 chopped green chili. Cook for 2 more minutes and keep stirring. Now add dalia. If you are using 1 cup of dalia, use 3 cups of water. If you like runny consistency of dalia, then add 4 cups of water. And give it a mix. Secure pressure cooker lid. Now 4 whistles on high flame are sufficient to cook this dalia. Allow the steam to release naturally from the cooker. Add handful of fresh coriander leaves before serving this delicious dalia. It has a great taste since it is multigrain. It has nutritional value much better than wheat dalia. It has carom seed which has antibacterial properties, and there is this pearl millet which helps to lower the cholesterol, and it also has the sesame seed which is an excellent source of minerals and vitamins. You can serve this dalia with green chutney or simply with curd. It is so yummy. Give it a try and subscribe for more videos.